happened in Oakland.
We're conducting the picket at the 11 bases across the nation because we must demand change.
Lynn Montgomery is the president of Transit Workers Union Local 556, representing Southwest flight attendants. She says they do want to raise, but that's not the number one priority.
The main issue for Southwest flight attendants is horrific working conditions and the degradation of the flight attendant job over the years. It actually existed before the pandemic.
She says those include not getting paid while passengers have no place to sleep and lack of options when it comes to food.
Flight attendants have to carry their own food and oftentimes are placed in hotels that have no food accessible to them. We're not able to get off the plane during the day and we have no place to heat our food.
Some 18,000 plus flight attendants work for Southwest. Jennifer Hodges. Get an update on that in sports in just 90 seconds. KCBS News Time 9:13, sponsored by Refunds Pro. Business owners visit refundspro.com to get the government COVID tax refund you're owed.
Did you know System Pavers has been designing and installing outdoor living systems for 30 years? Since 1992, we've helped more than 80,000 homeowners transform the way they enjoy their outdoors, and they've been happily talking about their remodels ever since.
If I would have known how quick and easy replacing our crumbly old driveway is going to be, I would have contacted System Pavers years ago.
We had a small issue with our outdoor kitchen, and System Pavers went above and beyond.
I'm Larry Green of System Pavers, and nothing makes my day more than hearing how the quality and durability of our work has helped thousands of families make the most of their outdoor spaces.
For a limited time, you can take advantage of special financing and save 10% on an outdoor transformation that'll get people talking too. Call System Pavers at 800-PAVE-004 or visit systempavers.com today.
All orders must be placed by September 30th. See website for offer details. Financing subject to credit approval. Contractors license 661575.
This is the Eye in the Sky Traffic Wash, brought to you by Ring Central. This is Neil, your eye on traffic, and today looks like a doozy. You want my advice? Ditch the commute and connect on Ring Central. They put call, meet, and message all in one app, so you can connect with anyone, anytime. I'm in the studio. You're breaking up, Chet. Looks like you should have called on Ring Central.
Ring Central, simpler communications. Coming up on KCBS, are we jumping the gun on big events with COVID still making the rounds? We'll take a closer look on that on today's edition of Ask an Expert. KCBS News Time 9:15. We're on to the Bay Area Chevy Dealer Sports Desk now. Talk basketball with Ted Ramey.
Yeah, the defending NBA champion Golden State Warriors training camp is underway. Steph Curry, the best player on the planet, arguably. I know that there's some people who want to immediately come back at that, but I'll just say the best player on the planet.